Hi, in this video we'll see how to generate a net present value using a formula. Net present value represents the difference between the present value of cash in and the present value of cash out over a given period of time. So, in other words, we want to invest in a new shop and we want to see if this investment will bring us value or it's better for us to put the money in the bank. For this, we will take a discount rate or a cost of capital of 7%. And then we'll start to create our plan. The initial investment or cash out in the first year will be, let's say, 20,000. And then we will keep the investment, the cash out, but on the lower level. So let's say that in the next year we'll invest 10,000, then 7,000, $6,000 and 5,000. So these are the values that I will invest in the next business. I will decrease the columns in order to see all the information. So now we have the cash in data where we want to see and we will predict the income. In the first year we have just investment, so no cash in. In the next years we'll start to have some cash in values. Let's start with 13,000, then 15, 20 and 22nd. And now we can calculate the cash flow by equal cash in minus cash out. So as you can see, we have a minus in the first year, then we start to have some positive values. Now we can calculate the net present value by using NPV function from Excel. So equal NPV returns the net present value of an investment based on a discount rate and a series of future payments, negative values and also positive values regarding income. Open the brackets, select the discount rate, in our case we put 7%, and the second argument will be our values from the cash flow starting with the second year. I will close the brackets and then I will write minus initial investment from the first year. And now we obtain the net present value for our investment. If we want to see which was the level where we start to obtain nothing from this investment or where we got losses, we can calculate the return rate, the internal rate of return by select our values, also the positive and the negative, and a random value of percentage. So this tell me that if we'll have 29 discount rate, then we'll be on the negative side. To be more exactly, we can use this one, copy and paste here, and we have 0. So for a discount rate of 28.53%, our investment will return nothing.